Mars, solar year 2174. 5 decades have passed since the nanite cataclysm. The same machines we thought could make Mars a lush world are the ones now keeping it a barren land, hostile to any and all life forms, human and artificial alike. But hope still lives as young men and women brave the dangers of the Red Planet, looking for a solution through research and experimentation. You are among these souls, studying nanite clouds in the Tharsis sector. But not today. Today, you survive.
Hey, wake up. Something just triggered the base security alert, and the mainframe artificial intelligence put the facility on lockdown. Are you still asleep? I'm your personal AI. I'm not able to connect to any other AI, so we must go and see what's happening for ourselves. Let's check if your neural interface is fully functional. Testing biometrics, WASD keys to walk, C to crouch. Testing HULA scanner functionalities, left click to interact. Testing personal AI testing item organizer and in view, everything is working fine. Good, it seems that some emergency systems are still working fine. Let's get out and find Director Garcia and the others, they might be in danger. This door won't open. I'm receiving a faint analog signal. It's the emergency radio system, encoding to digital. It's Director Garcia. I'm patching her through.
What? Oh, it's you. I hope you are ready for some action, because we're having a pretty bad situation here. An unprecedented nanite storm has hit our eastern EM shield, bringing the barrier down. Mike, Laura, and I are currently stuck in the control room. We have been cut out from the rest of the outpost when the mainframe AI went on emergency shutdown to avoid endangering our lives. You must reach us at all costs and override the door's lock from the outside, and you must do that before the nanites punch through the hull, or we'll be doomed. The base has already suffered some breaches, and the eastern corridor sensors are going haywire, which leaves you with only one option: to take the long way around, passing through the infirmary. Also, I must rely on you for another mission. It's very important, and you are the only one who can do it. The data cores containing all our research on the nanites are still in the living quarters. You must retrieve them, secure them in a safe container, and bring them along with you. There are 4 data cores in all: yours, mine, Michael's, and Mr. Klimt's. Look for them in our apartments or in the storage room. That's all. Get moving, and don't keep me waiting.
It's working now. Mike's favorite noodles. 30. Okay. That's 1. We need 3 more. Hi pal, what? Patching through. We're halfway, let's... Good job, 1 more to go. That did it. Too bad the panel is not moving. It moved. Okay, this shouldn't be hard. Data channels are shown as 3 different lanes. You must capture the right color combination for each character. You have limited time before the internal security data packets color matter too, while all packet WASD. The door controls box is open. We should be... Okay, the right color. You have limited data WAS... Good, it's done. We've got all of them. Let's pack and get moving.